The Bitcoin CME futures close price is sitting around 38.5k, and at the same time, Bitcoin has confirmed a higher high here on the 1 hour time frame. And this is a huge thing for Bitcoin. So I will be exactly talk about the exact Bitcoin structure on today's update video. I will talk about my price targets. I will talk about the importance of this heat map, because this is how we exactly predicted the most recent move on Bitcoin. I will talk about how I took some profits on my trade and many more important stuff we need to discuss. So without any further ado, don't forget to slap up that like button, back up 400 likes on today's update video. And with that said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. So finally, after Bitcoin has been printing lower highs after lower highs, it has right now been finally starting to be putting in higher highs, and that is a change of character. So this is a super bullish development. Bitcoin also just hit a new yearly high and currently is holding still the price above this very important horizontal level, where if we were trading below it, we were getting rejected by it, and now we're getting supported by it. So this is definitely an important level to be paying attention towards, and it's a very good level that we're currently holding up for Bitcoin. This is all looking quite fine for Bitcoin, honestly. And if we're looking actually at the CME futures price, currently the CME futures price for Bitcoin is sitting around 38.5k, what is approximately $800 above the market value. So that is quite significant if you would ask me, and that also means that right now we have got a big CME gap right now towards the upside, and that potentially could spoil some very bullish movements over the course of this weekend. So at the same time, Bitcoin has been trading against this resistance box for quite a while right now here. We've been getting rejected by this level for more than 4 times in a row right now here, and finally we're starting to knock on it and potentially even break out of it. So Bitcoin is right now doing an amazing job here. We're holding the upper sloping support line, and potentially we're breaking this resistance right here. And honestly, what I can see in the Bitcoin price action right now here is that just people are very resilient. They're not willing to actually sell their Bitcoin because they believe that if the Bitcoin spot ETF comes out, the market is going to go even higher. And that is why we're so strong. That is why we create these patterns towards the upside, because people buy and they just don't sell. And that is why Bitcoin keeps going up and setting up new yearly highs. And honestly, I remain to be expecting that this is the behavior we're going to be seeing until the Bitcoin spot ETF is going to get accepted or either rejected. So that could be for another 1.5 months. We could see very reduced sell pressure on Bitcoin. So that is generally a very good thing for Bitcoin. And considering that, I've got a price target for this breakout here on Bitcoin. The price target of this breakout right here is sitting around $40,000. But I honestly think there's going to be a big resistance level and a big sell wall, because I've looked towards the orders and I looked where the liquidity is laying in the market, around 39.8k. So I started to be looking, why 39.8k? What makes this level so special? So I started to be looking at these levels, guys, and I saw that 39.7k, this white line here on the top side, is exactly the previous drop-off point for Bitcoin. So this is a gigantic important level for Bitcoin, and that is why I will be expecting that on the breakout, my target is not going to be $40,000 but 39.7k, because that is probably going to be a big sell wall. And from this point currently onwards, this could be another 5% move towards the upside. And I mean, with the trade I'm currently in here, I already took out 20% profit. I exactly managed to be cashing out on the top here. How, you may ask, is because in yesterday's video I talked about this. In yesterday's video I said Bitcoin is probably going to go up because the majority of the liquidity, the majority of the money available in the market was laying on the top side. All the short liquidations were laying there. So what did Bitcoin? It went up, liquidate all these short positions, and boom, went down again. So in the first boom push towards the upside, I hit my first take profit. And then Bitcoin once again went up again, and I saw, oh, there are a lot of orders piling up right here. There was like a $500 million sell wall. So I decided to take some more profits on my trade, and now Bitcoin is coming down again here. So this is actually quite interesting behavior, and this is also quite interesting for the trade. I managed to cash out some profits. It's only like a 4k profit. It's not a very big trade here, but soon I will be starting to be probably trading with bigger amounts again here. Honestly, if I'm swing trading, I'm usually trading with like $500,000-$600,000, but with these smaller trades, I only do 10 to 20k trades, because it just makes more sense for me, because yeah, you're already making a significant amount of money from these small moves in the market. And honestly, in the bull market, once it really comes, we will make so much money by trading, because you can literally long everything and make a ton of money. So guys, next time, if I'm talking about the liquidation heat map, talking about the liquidity in the market, make sure to be looking at this chart, because it's so important and exactly calls the directions where Bitcoin is heading towards. So if you want to be trading Bitcoin, you can currently claim an insane deposit bonus, because if you go to the link description of today's video, click on one of these links here, either Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Pepe, you could claim a free $1,000 airdrop position, and all you need to do here is sign up an account using the link below, complete KYC, deposit $100 in the first 7 days, and it must be a new account, of course, and you could be claiming it right now if you go to the link description of today's video. Then another interesting thing here, Binance saw a whopping 5,000 Bitcoins getting withdrawn from the exchange in the past 24 hours, and more than 35,000 in the past 30 days here. So Binance is losing some market share. That is exactly what we're seeing. They still have 500,000 Bitcoin on their exchange, so it's quite a lot here, and potentially this is maybe a reason to be a little bit worried about it. So further on, we can see that Tether remains to be injecting more liquidity in the market, and I've been saying this for quite a while right now here. The Bitcoin price goes hand in hand with liquidity that Tether is injecting in the market, and yeah, right now Tether has been injecting quite a lot of liquidity, and that is also why we have probably seen Bitcoin to go up a little bit here. And it's not purely because they're printing out of thin air. No, it is just also due to the fact that there's more interest. So the Tether market cap is also a very good measurement. How is the interest in crypto, and is it really growing? So further on, we can see that the level that we're currently trading at is 37.7k here. This level has been previously that drop-off point, and if we really confirm the breakup of that level, it will be actually also quite bullish for Bitcoin. So far, we've had some candles above it, but not a clear breakthrough, and that is currently what I'm waiting for. The structure on the daily time frame for Bitcoin looks very good here, just like I said at the beginning of the video. People are really willing to hold their Bitcoin towards higher levels due to the fact that the spot ETF is coming, and they're expecting it's going to be pumping the price. But guys, this is it for me in today's update video. If you like it, don't forget to smash up that like button, and see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.